Boom. Jeremy, honey. Hi. Can you tell me where Sarah lives?
Pennsylvania.
In Pennsylvania? Where do Grandma and Grandpa live?
Texas.
Texas? Really? Where does Jeremy live? Where do you live? New York? And what about Oma and Opa? Where do Oma and Opa live?
Germany.
Germany? Really? Where does Grandma Esther live? Do you know that?
Yeah.
No? Okay. Illinois. Where do Abby and Bethany and Stephen live?
Texas.
Texas? What about Auntie Em and Uncle Stephen? Where do they live?
Texas.
Texas.